Every great nation has its gateways. For the United States, it's JFK in New York. For Dubai, it's the dazzling DXB airport. And now, India is building its own global gateway, the Noida International Airport in Jewar. Some call it a masterstroke, others call it a risky bet. But one thing is certain. If India wants to stand tall as a developed nation by 2047, it needs bold game changers. And this airport may just be one of the most important ones. Welcome back to the big picture. Today, we dive into why Noida International Airport is more than just a new runway and how it could reshape India's economy, jobs, and even global standing. To understand why NIA matters, let's look at India's aviation journey. When India became independent in 1947, it had just a handful of airports. In fact, in the first 70 years, we managed to build only 74 civil airports. Fast forward to today, we already have 162 operational ones with more under construction. India is the third largest aviation market in the world, and our airlines have collectively ordered more than 3,000 aircraft. Clearly, the demand is exploding. And yet, there's a problem. Our busiest airports, like Delhi's IGI, are reaching saturation. Passenger traffic is growing faster than capacity. The solution? Build the next mega hub for India, the Noida International Airport. In November 2021, Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for this ambitious project at Jewar, just 72 kilometers from Delhi. The plan is staggering. In its first phase, launching in October 2025, NIA will have one runway and one terminal, along with the ability to serve 1.2 crore passengers annually. Zurich Airport has been given a 40-year contract to operate the project, while the construction is being handled by the Tata Group. And to kickstart operations, Indigo, India's largest airline, has already committed to being the launch carrier. Can you believe it? But here's the catch. This is just phase 1. The airport will keep doubling in capacity. When it maxes out, NIA will have 4 runways and 5 terminals and the ability to handle 12 crore passengers annually, making this airport the largest one in Asia. Now you may ask, do we really need another airport so close to Delhi IGI? Well, the answer lies in the opportunities it unlocks. First, jobs. The airport alone is expected to create nearly 1 lakh direct and indirect jobs, from ground staff, engineers and pilots to supply chains and hospitality. Second, economic transformation. Airports are not just travel points, they're economic engines. Faster movement of goods, capital, people and services all lead to faster growth. Third, regional development. Delhi NCR is already a magnet, but this new airport will push growth corridors all the way to Noida, Greater Noida, Mathura and Agra. Think about how Singapore's Changi or Dubai's DXB built entire cities around airports. NIA is set to do the same for India. And it doesn't stop at aviation. Around NIA, Yamuna Expressway Industrial Development Authority, YEDA, has planned an entire ecosystem. A vast logistics hub, North India's first film city, an electronics park, a medical devices park, a fintech hub, an apparel park, and a high-tech MRO facility for aircraft repair. This isn't just an airport. It's the foundation stone for a future industrial powerhouse. Now here's when it gets even more exciting. By 2047, India will celebrate 100 years of independence, and the government's vision is to make India a developed nation. For that future, infrastructure like NIA is essential. Because remember, India is not just a country of 140 crore people. It's also home to a rising middle class of over 30 crore. The group that's upgrading to air travel the fastest. In the upcoming decade, India aims to handle 50 crore air passengers annually and transport 1 crore metric tons of cargo. Without mega hubs like NIA, this vision simply cannot be achieved. So when we call this project a game changer, it's not just hype, it's a crucial building block of India's global future. So friends, the Noida International Airport is more than a runway, more than a terminal. It's a statement that India is ready to match the scale, the ambition and the capacity of the world's biggest economies. Do you think this airport will truly be the next Changi or Dubai for India? Or are the critics right that it might face challenges of oversupply and competition with Delhi IGI? Tell us what you think in the comments below, and if you enjoy deep dives into stories that define our future, make sure you subscribe to The Big Picture, where thoughts come alive.